You know where's the secret gold? It's under the cone. And ho ho ho, Merry Christmas. And I'm the Santa Claus. And I am Santa Claus. And it's July 15. And then we're going to open the gold anyways. Let's just open it. I don't care about the scissors. I think I need scissors. No, I don't need it. I can just wrap it out. Wrap it. Wait, this is what we get. And remember from the last video, we get the diamond and we get a block. This time, I hope we get the diamond or gold, real gold. Because I really need a diamond or real gold actually. This is what we get from the last video. We're going to keep it here. This is the diamond block. We put it here. Now let's open it. And we buy it in Walmart. Yeah, the same. And then now we're going to open it. Walmart, toys, Walmart, crazy Walmart toys. I don't get it. Ew, what? I broke it. No! I broke it more. What? Gold! Gold! I want gold! Ah! Real gold! Ah! I want real gold! Real gold. I think I broke the packaging. I broke it. Real gold. We get the same tools. But it's just dusty. Yes, please. We really need scissors. I don't know what happened. Oh, I found something. No. So the 23. No. People fall mysterious ways. Whoa, this is so amazing. It say gold. Guys, look, it say gold. Papa, look, it say gold. The gold. It say gold, right? I'm mining the gold. I like gold, but I'm mining it. I'm using this better. This is so dusty. Remember the last episode? We used water because this is much powerful. Wait, let me see how many damage do. What? Oh, you're so blue actually. Wow, I want to check all the dust here. Yes. Wow, I'm breaking gold. You think we can get it? The 23. No. I'm going to crash it. 3, 2, 1. Be careful, guys. Oh, that didn't do any damage. Wow, it actually did a lot of damage. It broke the whole gold, actually. It say gold, now it's mold. I just erased all the gold. Look, I erased it all. Yeah, it don't do that much damage. I think I'll make a hole with this too. This is my driller 3000. It's not doing anything. Easiest ways. I'm going to mine this. Yeah. It's going to go in there. So yeah. I cannot find it. Still this taking so long. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification button, and subscribe to Michael Plane, the best reviewer in the world. Yeah. 5 stars there. Because it's July 5th, right? I'm Santa Claus, right? You have to subscribe. Wow, we are digging very, very, very long. Look, actually, we done. Oh! I'm almost getting in! Yeah! Done. Done. That was quick. Let's put it in the bowl. What is it actually? Let's see. We get this block. It's so... It looked like... It's cool. Who wants to burn it? I want to burn it. That was quick actually. Let's just break the rest. I don't care. Let's see, can we find... Look how many dust we actually collect. We just scratch it, scratch it. This is what we get from the gold. And this is what we get from the diamond. It's black, right? It's the same. And this is the tools we get from all of them. And we get different sand, like this like this yellow from a gold and blue from diamond. And I have a spatula to put it all here. This is the magic one. This is magic. This is the magic ingredient. You can just put it all back there. You do this, you see, put it there, you do that, a little bit of water, you shake it all around, do the hokey pokey, that's what it's all about, dun, dun, dun. Yeah, that's how we sing the song. Yay, I am Mr. Conehead, yay. I am Mr. Conehead. I'm Santa Claus. Oh, I'm Conehead. No. I have cone ears now.
I have cone mouth now.
I have cone ears now. I have cone legs. I have cone feet now. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Here, subscribe to Michael Playing. And make that bell button. And make that subscribe. And make that subscribe button gray. Not red, okay? That means you unsubscribe then. And Merry Christmas to all of you childrens, because I am Santa Claus Michael Play. Bye guys! Bye, Mr. Conehead is buying. Bye! Bye. Bye. Bye again. Bye. Bye guys. Don't forget to subscribe. I don't fit in the table. Bye guys. I'm going to sleep. Bye guys. Guys, this is the sleeping moment. No one see me, okay? No one see me. The video already ends, okay? Close the camera.